Hi guys, today I will unbox and review a sun wave generator. This came like this. I think is good because we need to solder it. And for a beginner, you can learn to solder too, not just the sidle, but how to mount it too. Came like this with the paper, with all the components. So I will solder the components and we will review it. Okay. So guys, I'm here trying to put this to work. I'm here for an hour because I can't put this in work. I tried everything. Look at this. I put here the voltage is 10.5 volts, like it says here, 9 to 12 volts on the power supply voltage. More than 12 will make the waveform unstable. So I put here my scope here. So right now I'm trying to measure the triangle wave. When I put the jumper in, look at this, nothing. This is what I'm seeing, okay? Look, I will, when I try to, look, I'm changing the amplitude. And look, nothing happens. I'm trying to change this one over here that is the fine. They say it is frequency fine adjustment. Look, this is the one, this is working, I think. I don't really think, but I don't really know, but I think it's working because when I try to make it work, it works. It seems like it saturates. As you can see over here, it's not a real square wave, but okay. And when I rotate this one, this is the course frequency of course adjustment. It's the only one who makes the really big difference. This one is working. Okay, look at this. This one is working, but the Bluetooth does not work. I tried to put here like 12 volts, but it looks even worse. Look, more saturated. This here is saturated. Try to rotate the amplitude. No, it seems like it's a PWM. I don't know what happens, but it's not working properly. Okay guys, I think I figured it out. So we need to jump these connectors here, the jumpers here. Okay, this is really doing nothing. But when I put in here, this will alternate the frequency. Okay, look at this. If I put in here, we'll have 65k to 1 megahertz. Okay, look at that. That is good. I will rotate the amplitude potentiometer. Nothing happens. I don't know why, but nothing happens. Look, I'm rotating. Nothing happens. Let me try a different frequency. It just does not work, but I think everything smells solar. Okay guys, so I have some problems putting this to work, but I do it. Now it's working fine. Okay, when I rotate the amplitude, it diminishes or increases. So guys, that's it. I don't recommend you to buy this one because it's not a good signal generator. It's difficult to set up. You need to spend time and it does not work properly. So please spend more money on a good one. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next video.